Eric. Eric.
Yeah.
Why is your Evo here?
Because he doesn't want to go home.
Oh. Today, Eric gets to fix his broken car again.
Another broken car, pretty much?
Modified cars enjoy breaking modified parts. So, today, we gotta do a fuel pump. I'm guessing the fuel pump's right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I gotta take off the rear seat.
So what is this? What is this one right here? What's it?
This is a 450 Walbro.
Okay. He has a 450 Walbro already. We're just replacing it because that's what it's already tuned for. So it would be harder to go to a 255 or something else because this is already tuned for a 450. You take your fuel pump and the flavoring packet right here. Throw that away.
Oh, it smells like 91.
And then...
It's so sad. It smells like 91.
Fun. So this plug, it's just like a universal plug or whatever, but no.
What was that?
My glasses. But we gotta cut that plug off because this, we'd rather retain the OEM wiring anyway. So we're gonna cut that plug off, solder or probably crimp the joints because we don't want heat near a fuel source. Because Eric's in here and he would go kaboom. Alright.
There you go. Everything's all unplugged.
There's just 4 bolts that hold it on.
Well, it's supposed to be 6,
Oh,
but the previous owner cut the other 2 bolts.
okay. So the reason why this fuel pump most likely went out is because, well, E85 is a beautiful thing, but it also requires a lot more fuel demand. And you were maxing out your injectors, right?
Yeah.
So he has, what, over 1,000 cc?
1100 cc.
So he has 1,100 cc injectors, maxed out duty cycle. That's going to put a lot of strain on a fuel pump.
The turbo's
So,
also maxed out.
yeah. The fuel pump, although it's a 450,
That's a big boy.
that's a big fuel pump. Usually, you know, when you go upgraded fuel pump like a 240, it's like, what, 255 or maybe in 300, maybe MS 300. 450 is a step up from that, and it sounds like a freaking Tesla in your backseat.
So that's why I knew I fucked up.
Why?
Because it's so loud. As soon as you don't hear it, you know it's out.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not a question, oh, maybe it's on. No, it's on or it's off. It's fucking loud.
And so, the relay popped twice or once?
Once. It popped once. The second time, I thought it was relay again.
Uh-huh.
It wasn't.
Okay. So, most likely why the relay actually pops. I mean, if you look up, maybe I'll put a diagram of a relay right here, but there's a power and a ground, and then there's like basically, think of 2 arms touching each other, like fucking monkey in a symbol. When those 2 monkey arms touch due to magnetic forces, the circuit completes, and your fuel pump, in this case, will turn on. The relay most likely popped because it had too much current going through it, and just fried the relay. But the reason why it most likely had too much current is because this fuel pump was going out, and when the fuel pump starts to go out, it requires more current to basically provide the same output. So the fuel pump was going out, which caused the relay to go bad, and he just replaced the relay and was like, oh, that's fine, it's just a relay. But this is the ultimate seppuku by Evo.
Oh, you know what's great? Mitsubishi.
Wait, grab my friend. Thank you, Arnold. The filter sock actually still looks good.
It's only been through 2 tanks.
V8.
Yeah, V8.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Before you take it apart, I just want to show them the setup. So you got your in, and your out. That's what these are. You got the actual clamp right here, and that retains the filter sock. That's basically your first fuel filter in any fuel system, if it's like this. You got your float level. It tells you your, you know, how much fuel. Oh, jeebus. And then,
Sorry, I know it's 91. So what you gotta do is we'll cut these wires and we'll crimp them.
Yes. That looks pretty good to me. Yeah, we transferred over the
If this
filter
doesn't
sock.
work, if this doesn't work, I'm upgrading to a fucking triple pump system.
Really? A triple pump?
Yeah.
No.
We're skipping dual pump. We're gonna go directly to triple.
That's what tells you. You see, this is what Eric wants. Like, right there, all the way up there. This is what he's usually at.
Oh. 91.
Do you like the smell of E85 better?
Fuck yeah. 91 just smells like shit.
Can you imagine what it used to smell like with lead?
Right? Leaded fuel?
Yeah.
Dude, what if someone's tuned on leaded fuel?
They have race cars.
You see how Mitsubishi fucks us up? Like, no, we're not gonna give you that fucking quarter inch that you desperately want. There you go.
Well, how do you think we felt with the Honda?
Which Honda?
The S2000?
Yeah, pretty much same
The
shit.
oil pan.
Yeah. And you know what's fucked?
This is the same thing, but different. I don't understand why manufacturers do that. Like, they hide everything, but you have to take the seat off anything, or anyway.
Yeah.
So, like, they could just make it a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
But they don't.
It'd make life so much easier.
Yeah. Does you remember which one's feed and which one's return?
Yeah. This one's feed. The feed one's fucked up.
Oh, okay.
The return one's like, okay.
Okay. Well, good thing the feed is the high pressure.
You know? And then whatever this one is.
That's like a vent. Yeah, that should be a vent.
So it's not that important?
Well,
No, as in like.
do you want your gas tank to explode?
No, I mean like as in if it's not connected.
No, yeah, it's just air.
Okay.
Well, technically fuel vapor, but
Cool. Biggest out of the cut 2 of the 6. I thought it was 6 out of 8. I mean 2 out of 8. I mean if it's 2 out of 8, that's a corner. A little less big of a deal.
Eric has bad.
So plug this in.
Oh, wait.
Alright, ready? The priming? Not priming.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
So, still in cold start, but
It's still cold start, so I can't tell, well, you know, how far yet.
yeah.
That's not gonna tell me anything.
We'll see. But hey,
Another car running. Now let's go look at the S13 that runs too.
Yeah.
3 hours later.
Unboxing. I like how you started putting it back. Yeah. The UPS guy is like, how's today going? You're like, better.
UPS guy was really nice because he was like, oh, what was it for? Honda S2000? He's like, those are so nice.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, did you see it from there?
Yeah, because he saw it. Ooh.
Crispy. Back away a little bit.
Ooh, shit, I need all wheel plugs.
Oh. Well, they look good.
They're on.
They look good.
Next time on Dragon Ball Z.
These things.
Oh god. Oh god. It's less of a steep hill.
Damn, son!
That is fucking low.